Gelex Group Joint Stock Company, formerly known as the Vietnam Electrical Engineering Equipment Corporation, was established on July 10, 1990. Over 3 decades of development, Gelex has continually worked to expand and restructure, optimizing its resources towards becoming the leading investment group in Vietnam. Gelex has actively contributed to the development of the economy, playing an important role in shaping an integrated, resilient, innovative, and progressive Vietnam. In 2022, after fundamentally restructuring the capital ownership of its parent company and subsidiaries, Gelex retains the dominant ownership of 2 sub-holdings: Gelex Electricity, which specializes in industrial production, mainly electricity industry, and Gelex Infrastructure, which specializes in infrastructure investment and business, including investment and development in the energy sector, commercial and industrial real estate, construction materials, and domestic water production and supply, etc. Currently, Gelex owns a number of well-known brand names, which include CATV, the #1 electrical cable manufacturer in Vietnam, specializing in the production of electrical wires and cables with a strong presence in national power projects, civil power projects, and the export market. EMIC, the market leader in electrical metering equipment in terms of product technology, widely recognized for its line of electronic meters with outstanding features which are widely used and operated stably on the grid national electricity. TBD, the largest transformer manufacturer in Vietnam, with prestigious quality and prestigious services. TBD's transformer products also hold Vietnam's #1 market share. HEM, the leading company in Vietnam in the field of design, manufacture, repair, and maintenance of electric motors, generators, transformers, and civil electrical equipment. CFT copper wire manufacturer, Vietnam's leading producer of copper wire and one of Southeast Asia's largest suppliers of copper wire. MEE is a leading reputable manufacturer of 110 kilovolt transmission transformers with high-quality products, stable operation, safety, efficiency, and durability products in the grid. Glasera, the leading building materials manufacturer and real estate developer in Vietnam. In the building materials market, Glasera is the leading brand that supplies construction materials, distributes them throughout the Vietnamese domestic market, as well as exporting to over 40 countries worldwide. Glasera is a leading developer in the domestic industrial park segment, with more than 20 years of experience and operates 12 industrial park projects with a total land site of 4,000 hectares, attracting $16 billion in FDI from the world's leading enterprises. Songda Water. The enterprise extracts, treats, and supplies approximately 300,000 meters cubed of domestic water per day, servicing around 250,000 households in Hanoi's southwest. At the end of 2022, the Gelex holding had around 50 subsidiaries and 10 associated companies, with total consolidated assets of the group reaching 52,400 billion VND between 2018 to 2022. Gelex's consolidated net revenue grew from 13,699 billion VND to 32,090 billion VND, an increase of 134%. Its consolidated gross profit increased from 2,216 billion VND to 6,458 billion VND, an increase of 191%. Gelex continues to make significant financial contributions each year to the state budget, amounting to billions of Vietnamese dong. In the coming period, Gelex aims to strengthen and expand the market share of its subsidiaries in the domestic market with strategic products and to promote the export of electrical equipment and building materials products to the international market. In 2022, Vastastone introduced its high-end sintered stone products, the first of their kind in Vietnam. The product uses state-of-the-art Italian technology and a wide range of exquisite Italian designs. Vastastone is solidly placed to become a leading brand in the Vietnamese construction materials industry as it works to keep up with the international trends. Based on Gelex's subsidiaries and a joint venture with Fraser's Property Vietnam, Gelex has continued its implementation of a number of industrial park and industrial real estate projects, with additional areas of focus on developing social housing projects, worker housing, land bank development, investment in commercial housing projects, resort real estate, hotel real estate, and leasing offices. In addition, Gelex actively fosters international cooperation, targeting foreign partners with good potential for beneficial cooperation, joint ventures, and further development of core businesses. In March 2023, Gelex and Fraser's Property Vietnam signed a cooperation agreement to implement industrial parks in the north, with the total investment in this first phase expected to be about 6,000 billion VND or 250 million US dollars. In addition to the above, Gelex will continue its research on potential investment in renewable power projects, explore collaboration opportunities with various partners, and assess new project possibilities. Continue to analyze, select, evaluate, and realize the potential capital investment and M&A opportunities through parent Gelex and its subsidiaries, and develop appropriate management strategies after M&A. As a diversified investment enterprise, Gelex always attaches importance to sustainable development based on 5 key factors: society, environment, customers, shareholders and partners, and employees. By prioritizing these aspects, Gelex aims to create a superior competitive advantage that supports long-term business success. At each stage, Gelex Holdings businesses are committed to environmental protection, striving to use renewable energy, conserve and reduce electricity consumption, thereby reducing emissions from power generation. In addition to the goal of economic development and harmonization with interests of stakeholders, Gelex actively engages in community-oriented activities, accompanies those who are experiencing hardship, takes care of and supports to the poor, people with meritorious services to their country, and struggling students, etc. Proudly counted among the top 50 best-listed companies in Vietnam, top 50 largest enterprises in Vietnam, Gelex always strives and pursues the goal of becoming the leading investment holding in Vietnam, generating long-term and sustainable cumulative value for shareholders, community, and employees. Gelex believes that the core values it brings will leave a lasting impression on customers, partners, and the community, establishing a legacy that stands the test of time.